best banks for direct deposit bonuses in 2026. A lot of people chase the biggest headline bonus and stop there. That feels smart for about 5 minutes. Then the account opens, the fee rules kick in, and the bonus that looked generous starts feeling a lot smaller than it did on the ad. That is the trap with direct deposit promotions in 2026. The real winner is not just the bank that pays you up front, it is the one that still feels worth keeping after the payout lands. And one of these three pulls ahead for exactly that reason. What actually makes a bonus worth it? The smartest way to compare these offers is by looking at three things at once: how hard the bonus is to unlock, how easy the monthly fee is to avoid, and whether the account gives you something useful after the promotion is over. That matters because a bonus can look strong on paper and still be annoying in real life. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. The best pick is usually the one with the cleanest mix of payout, low friction, and everyday usability. Option 3. Huntington, the easiest path to a strong bonus. If you want the offer that feels easiest to unlock, Huntington Perks Checking makes a serious case.
The current promotion pays $400 when you open a new account, receive at least $500 in qualifying direct deposits within 90 days, and keep the account open for 90 days.
That deposit hurdle is lighter than some of the bigger national offers, which is why it stands out right away. The honest catch is reach. Huntington has a real physical footprint, but it is still more regional than national, with branches and ATMs across 14 states. It also has a monthly maintenance fee unless you meet its waiver conditions. So this is a great pick if Huntington is already practical for you, but not the most flexible option for everyone. Option 2. Chase, the strongest mainstream bank bonus. Chase Total Checking earns this spot because it balances a strong bonus with broad access.
The current offer is $400 for new customers who open the account and receive at least $1,000 in qualifying direct deposits within 90 days.
Chase also says the bonus is paid within 15 days after you complete the requirements, which is faster than some competing offers. What pushes Chase higher is how easy it is to fit into everyday life. The account has a monthly service fee, but that fee can be waived with qualifying electronic deposits, and Chase highlights its very large branch and ATM network. So, if you want a big bank option that feels familiar and easy to use long after the bonus is gone, Chase is hard to ignore. Option 1. SoFi, the best overall value after the bonus. If the bonus is only part of the story, SoFi checking and savings usually comes out on top. Its current promotion pays up to $400 based on how much eligible direct deposit arrives within 25 days after your first qualifying deposit. It also does not charge account, service, or maintenance fees, and it offers early access to direct deposit funds in many cases.
That resolves the question we left open at the start. The best bank bonus is not just the one that hands you cash, it is the one that keeps delivering once the promo ends. Huntington is great for a lower deposit threshold. Chase is strong for mainstream convenience. But for most people who want the best bonus plus long-term value, SoFi is the one that usually makes the most sense.
If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.